Growing potatoes in containers rather than the ground has a number of benefits. The foremost is that it is simpler to defend the plants against animals like voles that enjoy eating them. Potatoes in containers are another enjoyable project for kids. For the amount of space needed, the plants provide a fair yield and grow quickly. Turning over the container and letting the youngsters dig into the soil for tasty treats is how you harvest potatoes in a container. For them, it is similar to a treasure hunt. The only true drawback to growing potatoes in containers is that you must be more watchful about routine watering because the soil in container dries out more quickly. It's crucial to maintain a wet but not so soggy soil. You should enjoy a bumper crop of potatoes if you frequently check the soil's moisture level and deeply irrigate the soil. Potatoes in containers. When to plant them. Potatoes can be planted in pots at a similar time as those in the ground. In general, it is advised to plant in-ground potatoes about 2 weeks before the last frost in your area. When planting in pots, you might be able to move up the planting date a little because the soil will warm up more quickly as it is exposed to the sun above ground. If a late spring frost is predicted, be ready to cover or move your potato containers indoors. Potatoes can be grown indoors in the winter, but it's not a usual practice, as long as you can provide them with enough heat and light. Some people grow them in a greenhouse throughout the winter, but they can also be grown well with grow lights or in a window that gets a lot of direct sunshine. First things first. You are watching Garden Life, the channel for all of your gardening needs. Growing potatoes in containers, grow bags, or the ground requires a somewhat different procedure than growing other vegetables. The hilling method of growing potatoes eventually engulfs the stems by piling more soil around the plant as it goes upward. As the slope rises higher, the lower buried stems will produce more root systems. Hence, hilling is crucial to maximizing the yield from each potato plant. Burying the stems also shields the potatoes from light, which would otherwise turn them green. Although the hilling procedure differs slightly when growing potatoes in containers, the fundamentals remain the same. The seed potatoes are barely covered in dirt when they are first sown. As the plant develops, more soil is added around it at regular intervals until the container is completely full. You will need the following tools. First, you need potato seeds. garden trowel, container of your choice. It may be a bucket or a grow bag. Fertilizer. Potting soil. Prepare the container and potting soil, apply the fertilizer, get the potato seeds ready, set up the potato seedlings, take care of the developing potatoes, then harvest. If you're growing potatoes in a plastic container, use high-quality, fast-draining potting soil. In addition, organic soils are usually a great option. A combination of commercial potting soil and high-quality compost is a viable alternative. Potatoes can be grown in a wide variety of opaque containers, especially those that are 2 to 3 feet tall and have a capacity of 10 to 15 gallons. Larger pots can make it difficult to water the plants evenly, leading to problems like rotting potatoes. Garden centers and online garden retailers sell specialty potato sacks, but any reused container will do. Half barrels made of wood, containers for waste and recyclables. That's it for today's episode on planting potatoes in containers. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for more videos. This is Garden Life, the channel for all of your gardening needs.